Welcome to SuccessFULL Community. This is Keitha, your Zoho partner. Let me show you around. Once you enter into the community, you'll have menu options to your far left. First, you have your feed. Anything that is for you will be listed in the feed. If someone sends you a private message, you will see that in your feed. If anything is posted in either the SuccessFULL community or any groups that you're a part of, you will also see that here. Once you click on SuccessFULL Community, that's where you'll see the feed for SuccessFULL Community. So anything and everything that was posted publicly will be here. You can create posts as well. All you have to do is click on the plus sign and you can choose from these options like start a conversation, make an announcement, start a poll, or even write a forum post. Here you'll see the top participants, and then just a quick little um, section that shows you who the admins are and then the activity. Once you review a post, it will show how many people have viewed right here and which users, by which users. You can view the full post like this. All right. Once you log in, you'll see my message just welcoming you to the community. You'll also see another message that gives you a warm welcome. If you would like to create a post, you can just click here, or again, you can click on the plus sign in the top right corner. When you have others, you can mention them. You can put the @ symbol and you can mention other groups as well. You also have the ability to use hashtags. Those hashtags will be, let's see if we can see one here. All right, so if you click on the hashtag, you can see everything that has that same hashtag. All right, so you'll see it here. Okay, so you can comment, you can like. I would love for everyone to stay really active in this community because the whole idea is to bring us all together so that we can learn from each other, but most importantly, maximize the use of our Zoho system. That's what we all have in common. We all use Zoho or are thinking of using Zoho. All right, so you have the ability to share, add tasks, add notes. You have your own little workspace here, really. Because if you go down here, you can see that there's an option to create tasks. You can create your own tasks. You can create tasks for yourself or for others. It just depends on what type of access you have. You have the choice to keep it private or put it on a board. Right now, boards are not accessible. However, in the future, we may have that open up. But right here is where you can create a task. You can add checklists to those tasks and you can put a start date, due date, reminder, priority. You can repeat the task. These are your tasks. You can make them private to you where only you can see them. You also have the ability to create checklists once you have a board. There are groups here. Right now, there are no groups. However, once we start adding groups, you will see a list of the groups that you're a part of here. Town Hall is where we may hold some live sessions and some demos just to kind of show you a lot of different things within Zoho. So you'll see those here. The forums can be created by anyone. I've created 3 of some of the most important topics in my opinion because I often see people make mistakes in these 3 areas. So please visit those and leave comments and ask your questions. This community is so that you can get answers to your questions. And then also, I added a couple of links for you. First, the SuccessFULL Learning. So if you are already a part of SuccessFULL Learning, you can click here to get into SuccessFULL Learning. And then also, I have for some reason it does that. So I have another link that I'm not sure if everyone knows about. If any of the applications within Zoho ever go down, there is a website that Zoho provides that will show you the issues, if there are any issues. So let's say you're trying to use Zoho Analytics and you feel like it could be down. You can check here to see if there are any issues. It will give you the status right here. Right here, it says that all components are operational. Most of the time it says this. I have yet but once seen it say that there's an issue, and usually Zoho's pretty good about, fixing those issues right away. And then you can look here in the incident history. So maybe I missed that one, but yeah, there are some issues that may come up every now and then, but you will see that here. I wanted to share that with you just in case you ever have issues. Just know that you can, check the Zoho services availability page. You can go directly to it on the internet, or you can access it from here. Obviously, if Zoho Connect happens to be down, you wouldn't access it from here, but I can also share the link for this if anyone wants it. Yeah, that is basically how you get around. Over here, you'll see a tab that shows the people, the members of the group, and you'll see an integrations tab. I think you can use this in order to do anything for yourself. It should only affect you because remember, you're already a Zoho user. You're just accessing an additional network. This is an external network in Zoho Connect. So you will already have your own Zoho account, your own, maybe even your own Zoho Connect. And if that's the case, then you should be able to switch back and forth between both of your Zoho networks, your internal and this external network. You will just look at the very top of your screen and it will look a little like this. Let me show you. All right, so you will go to the top of your screen here in Zoho Connect, and then you will see your intranet and then any external networks that you're a part of. All right, if you have any questions, if there's anything I didn't answer, any other questions about our community, please let me know. You are welcome to and free to ask questions, free to answer other people's questions, and collaborate. Thank you all for being here.